crazy how we live in just like a bowl, and then there's just fucking mountains everywhere.
Everywhere.
Like hundreds of them.
Yeah.
And, dude, like, I want to explore them all. No, not everybody's probably exploring every one of them.
Doubt it.
There's telephone poles, so I guess someone did.
Possibly.
Someone got up there. We got some narrow bridges.
roads,
We got narrow bridges. Next 8 miles, 30 miles per hour.
Ooh.
Wow. Love it.
It is pretty. I just wanted you to watch me just.
Wonder Valley, 3 miles. Get on the road.
Yeah.
There's free range, and look at that. It's close to the road right there.
He's really close.
Close there. Beautiful it is. There's eating grass.
They have pretty eyes.
Welcome to Wonder Valley Ranchos. It's so cool. Oh my goodness. There's the one's another one.
Oh, look
This
at
is
that.
where-
Look at that one.
Where?
They're moving. They look so big.
They're huge, man.
My dad has to carry those. It's crazy.
Huge animals. They're actually massive animals, dude. Or Yosemite, but we went the other way, so it'd probably be Kings Canyon. Oh, wow. Narrow roads. So beautiful. Time to get a little windy.
Whoa! I want to record with the shape of the road. Wow!
There's a squirrel.
It's not as cool as a peacock.
Another squirrel. They're everywhere. It's taking over.
It's a little
chipmunk.
chubby one.
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
Little chipmunk and little. Come on the range.
This reminds me of a Goofy movie. Uh-oh, let's see how steep this one is.
Right ass rock, dude. Are we on Mars?
No, that's Indian clay.
Oh, really? That's clay?
Yeah, it's clay.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay. If you heat it up, does it turn into ceramic?
Yeah.
That's cool, dude. That's how they learn how to make ceramic.
Car. Hi, cow. Moo.
Want to get out?
Look
at him. He's like, what the fuck are you doing here?
Get out of my grass.
Looking at us.
They look so funny. Okay. It's because he heard you talking.
Moo.
Scared. I think he accepts us as his own because our car's black.
Oh, God. If that cop comes by or whatever, just say, like, just want to show her where I grew up at. Or where my relatives live.
Shut up, Aaron. That's a lie. No, we could just say that we're looking to buy land. That's it. Are these sunflowers?
It looks like it.
So pretty.
It is.
Looks like it would be heaven, huh? The clouds.
Yep. This is Glacier Point.
A U-Haul. Someone's moving up here.